Hey YouTube, this is Night Square. Have you ever spent so many hours and couldn't find proper information? Today, we're going to talk about dropshipping on eBay from Walmart. Walmart has no tracking number for your shipping. So, what to do when there is no tracking number? Some of you have experienced this problem and some didn't. I watched so many YouTube videos on dropshipping. Not many of them have covered this topic. There is very less information on the internet. So, I'm going to give you some steps on how to overcome this problem. You may be wondering why you should watch this video. Well, this is based on my personal experience that I faced on December the 3rd, 2020, and this is how I handled the situation. Okay, let's jump on to Walmart.com. When you track your orders on Walmart.com, you enter your email address and the tracking number and you click View Orders. This will take you to a page very similar to like this, and on the left side you will see this image with order processing. When the status changes to ship, you will see the carrier information. It could be FedEx, USPS, UPS. Before we jump in, let's look at some red flags. If you don't see FedEx, UPS, USPS, this is your first red flag. Instead, if you see XYZ delivery service or mom and pop couriers, write that name down or take a screenshot. This is going to be your second red flag. Now click on track orders. This is going to take you to a page with similar to like this. On the left, you will see map of USA. On the right, you will see this message. Unfortunately, there is no tracking number available right now. Please call 1-800-924-9206. This is your third red flag. What to do next? Well, step 1. Before you call that number, first you need to send a message to buyer. Buyer is actually expecting a tracking number from the seller. Use this template. Hello ABCD, thank you for buying XYZ product from us. We will be providing you with a tracking number as soon as possible, sincerely. You must be asking, why do I need to send an email to the buyer? I will cover that later in this video. Step 2. Call 1-800-924-9206 and speak to an agent. If the agent says, sorry, I don't see a tracking number, ask the agent which courier service did they use. Ask for their telephone number. Walmart will provide this information to you. Without further ado, let's jump on to step number 4. Do not provide fake tracking numbers. This will going to be a huge problem later. Step number 5. Instead, use Walmart order number, which is going to be your tracking number for now. When the product gets delivered, third-party carriers do send pictures as confirmation to your email address. Something similar like this. You will get this in your email. Send an email to buyer. Congratulations ABCD, your product has been delivered. Attached a photo. Do not hesitate to provide your feedback sincerely. Contact eBay. When you contact eBay, you will go into eBay page and you will see something similar like this. Have us call you, and within that 21-minute time frame, you will get a call or later. But you can use that link for now. When you're on call with eBay, there is a possibility you will hear the eBay agent say, when your courier service updates the tracking, our system automatically gets updated. Let the agent know you used a third-party logistics company and provide the order number and the name of the courier service. Inform this product has actually been delivered and you have proof of delivery. The agent will ask you, did you contact the buyer? Yes, we did send emails to the buyer. Send proof of delivery with pictures. The agent will update the status from being shipped to delivered. If that doesn't happen, find a tracking number of the product which you bought recently. Use that tracking number as your second option. Call eBay again, get that status updated to delivered. eBay will work with you to resolve this issue. When a customer receives an order, they don't go back and check what their tracking number was. So in our situation, what we can do is we can use our tracking number, a product which we bought recently, go to ebay.com, update that tracking number, get that status changed to delivered. Our end goal is to get our money from paypal.com. Alright guys, if you like my video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will make more videos. Keep an eye out.